What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curtybo, and I am back with another big body banger, man. It's in today's video, I'm about to be showing y'all how to make a motion cover art on your phone. You feel me? Off the phone, man. I don't know about PC or iPad or none of that, man. This can work for all iOS devices, but as far as Android and all that, I don't know about all that, so I'm just letting y'all know that now, so I don't waste y'all time. But as y'all see, we working with 4 little apps. But hold on. Before we get into the video, man, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. We just hit 4,000 subscribers, man. I appreciate all my supporters. You feel me? Keep showing love. I'm about to, start getting active. Y'all been running my music up, like really running it up, So I'm gonna start posting more music. I got some dope collabs on the way, but we ain't even finna get into that, man. We about to get into these cover arts, man. But those are the 4 apps you gonna need: Picsart, Motionleap, iMovie, and Phonto. So download those. And I am doing a voiceover right now because I had recorded the video and it didn't even save, so it's just the video with no audio, so it's just weird. But basically what I'm doing on Picsart, I'm just making my picture so I can move it to Motionleap, where I can throw the 3D effects on it and the motion effects to make it move around. But I ain't gonna talk much in this video. I'm finna just kick back, let the music ride, and y'all can just kick back, watch. I'm gonna be punching in here and there with little tips and little stuff. But yeah, I'm typing in AK-47 to show y'all the sticker method on Picsart. If y'all saw me click that, what the sticker method does is it just allows you to put any type of anything you can think of on your picture. Like you can think of a car or anything on phone, you can just throw it on your picture. It's like Photoshop, really. But it's a pretty dope app. I use it for most of my cover arts and all that. So yeah, man, yeah, gang. So what I got going here is I got a little city background, and now I'm finna throw a little galaxy top on there just to make it look dope. Watch when y'all see how this come out. It's gonna be so dope. Stay to the end, man. Make sure y'all smash that like button, man, and smash that subscribe button. Let's get to 10K. I'm trying to get to 10K, y'all. Let's get to 10K subscribers, man. We going crazy. We gotta hit that 5K first, and then what's up from there. But let's get it. All right, so basically what I'm doing here, I'm just tweaking with the sky, cause like the pictures on the stickers don't always come out right. So sometimes you just gotta tweak them up. So just make sure, I'm just letting y'all know that you can, do that. So I just go to the editing, and I just change up the hue and all that. Sometimes I change up the contrast and all that little stuff like that. But and I always throw my little parental advisory on there, especially when I'm cussing in the songs, man. So hell yeah, but gang. Right now, what I'm doing, I'm just adding little details, cause like after I'm done, editing my picture and just getting that base, just that. Once I get everything on there, I just like to add little details so the cover art won't look plain. And remember, if the video moving too slow, you can always fast forward or speed the video up. I know this video may seem like long, but this is not how I wanted the video to come out, but this is how I gotta come out. So yeah, gang. Now what I'm finna do is I just saved the cover art and I'm about to throw it on Phonto, because Phonto actually got some really good fonts and they're all for free. So this is where I like to come to get my nice little fonts. So y'all gonna see me throw a little title on here, and then I'm gonna be shading up the letters. They actually give you like some good tools, to make the letters look like dope and professional and just high quality. So as you can see, I got this nice little font here. I'm about to be showing y'all a little technique I use, and what it does. It just gives you that, like, how like YouTubers make they letters like fade. I'm about to show y'all right now. What I do is I click on horizontal and then I put it on vertical, and then you got to just make the colors blend. So let's say the orange was dark red. You can make the second one like a bright red, and then the last one like a brighter red. It's like you just gotta like match the tone. But it's really simple once you learn it. This is like a really simple process. After I get done editing the font and putting it where it needs to be, I'm finna be taking it to the next app, which is Motionleap, and that is where I'm able to make the video 3D and make it motion to where it can move around. So we about to get to that in just a moment. So let's keep it going. Hey man, and if you ain't like the video, man, you're tripping, man. If you want to see more videos like this, just comment right now. And hey, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, man. We just hit 4,000 subscribers, man. We going crazy, man. But hey, now I'm about to just switch it over to Motionleap, and this is where all the magic finna go down, man. So yeah, this is a very simple process. This is a very simple app. If y'all want to download it, it's in the link down below. Everything in the link down below. All my social medias. You can go mess with my Instagram. You already know what I'm saying. But smash that like button, man. You already know the vibes, man. You going crazy, man. Gang, gang. Alrighty, now that we're in the Motionleap app, I'm just going to scroll through here. And as y'all can see, they give you all type of effects you can use. They really simple to use. I believe you can't use all of them because you got to pay for a subscription, but the subscription doesn't cost that much money. I promise y'all, it's a cool little $10 or wherever. I'm not even getting sponsored for this, but like, it's like a cool, it's like a, it just give you more tools and like, more different features to use. But the ones they already give you to use for free are not that bad, and you can make it work if you don't got money for it at the moment. But hey, if you feel like this is a dope app, I feel like you should invest into the subscription, so you can have some a go-to motion art creator. You feel me? I don't really know what to name it, but like, if y'all know any other apps like this, man, just let me know. Tap in with me, and I'm gonna go test it out, and I might make a tutorial on those, man. You never know. But what I'm doing here is, y'all can see, man, y'all have to play it back. I'm not really explaining anything, but as y'all can see, man, I'm just messing around. I'm just going crazy. What I like to do at the end of editing all that, making them like motion move, I like to fix up the effects with the hue and all that. So that's pretty dope. But like I said though, this app is not hard to use. As y'all see me using it, it's very simple, very easy. You feel me? Go download it right now and go test it out for yourself, man. It's free. Hey man, but I'm finna be wrapping up the video pretty soon. As y'all see, I'm just testing around with the effects. I'm just showing you all the dope stuff you can do on the app, man. But I'm finna close this video down, man. So hopefully y'all like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, man. We going crazy. I'm trying to make sure I drop a video at least once a day. That's 7 videos a week, But I'm gonna catch you on the next one, man. Curtybo in this thing. Curtybo out. Peace.
Hey, why you do that, boy?